How you can quickly add your Calendly to a Wix website. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, go to the Wix website, where you want to add your Calendly. Now, go to My Sites and choose the site. You want to edit? Once you're in the dashboard, click Edit Site. This will take you to the website editor. Next, choose where you want to place the calendar. You can add it anywhere on the page or even make a new page. Just make sure there's space for it now. Open Calendly and log in. Make sure your event or call is already created. Then, click on Copy Link to get the link for your calendar. Go back to Wix, click Add Elements, and search for HTML. You will see Embed HTML in the list. Click on it, and it will add a box to your site. Now click Website Address and paste the Calendly link into the box. Then, click Apply. After that, click Stretch to make the calendar fit the full width. You might need to drag the box down a little to fit it nicely. Now your calendar is in place. Click Preview to see how it looks. Now click on it, choose a time, and book a call with you, and that's it. It's how you can quickly add your Calendly to a Wix website.